You can make your very own video using Quicktime Player that is included on your MacBook. Doesn't matter whether it's on a MacBook Pro, Air, or anything other than that. If it's a Mac, it has Quicktime Player. And Quicktime Player has a screen capture function with a voiceover. So if you click Archive, then you can say it says Ny skærmoptagelse, new screen recording. I can't click there because I'm already recording, but this is where you will click. A dialog box will then appear asking whether you want to use the whole screen. In that case, you just click anywhere. If you want to only record part of it, then you drag with a left click over the part of the screen that you want to record. Now, if you want to do a video essay or video assignment for class, then you can do all your written stuff in PowerPoint, and then you can record your own voiceover on the various slides that you want to say something about. So, for example, I have my old presentation here, which we can use. Now, before you begin anything that has to do with recording, you have to be silent. On that note, let's click slideshows and we can begin. Now, this is just the start of the presentation, and you can say whatever you want. This is a new course, it's about lyrical analysis, blah, 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 anything you want. And this is being recording right now. So the Quicktime Player records anything that happens as it happens. So the time we have spent on the first slide is the same on the recording, just as it should be. So I click on the right arrow now to change slide. So now we have the second slideshow, and you can say whatever you want here. Now, when you are done, you just click Escape, which shuts down the slideshow, and a button appears up here where you can end your recording. When you end, you can edit the starts and stops, the ends of the video as you want. You can also not do it if you don't want to. Anyway, this is where you will be doing your editing for your video. Now, when you turn in your essays, assignments, whatever you want to call it, please make sure it's not in a cinema quality file, because that will take up too much space. Do it as the smallest file you can do. It's probably around 640 by 480 pixels. It can also be lower than that if you want to. This was a short presentation on how you can do a video using screen capture with Quicktime Player on your Mac. If you don't have Quicktime Player, then you can also use Screencast-O-Matic or another program like that. Thank you for listening.